Okay, so hello guys, and welcome back to B&BTV. Well, right now it's just BTV, Bryce TV. And today we scored an awesome one on Facebook Marketplace. We got the Ewok set number 10236. It came with 17 minifigures. I'm just going to be doing a speed build and reviewing it. 3 booklets. It is pretty huge. Came with that many pieces. We don't have the box, but it is Facebook Marketplace. So I'll see you guys on the speed build. Okay. This is what I'm going through right now. So imagine you got the Ewok Village set, brand new in the box, and didn't know how Lego worked and dumped out all the bags. Opened them all up. That's what I'm going through.
What piece are you looking for now? Another one of those?
I need one more of these.
Guys, do you see one more of those?
If you find it, you might get candy. Yay!
Oh, you just found it?
No.
Oh, you found something else you need?
No. So what I had done was I used this because it's supposed to look like that.
Oh, it's
supposed to be a mushroom, but I didn't see it. Finally found
it.
Whew,
that's a lot of pieces. All right, back to the speed build.
Guys, we're making progress. Oh, heavens, look at this.
17.
17, what? I'm gonna help. No. 3, 4.
What are you doing?
5. These are their beautiful house.
Where's your room?
This is my room. And this is awesome. Whoa.
How's it coming? You're on book what? 3?
Mm-hmm. Wait.
You got a snap down there? Good.
Okay guys, so I just got done finished with the Ewok Village. And how long did you say it took me, Dad? 5 hours. So right here, my dad will hopefully pop it up, but a picture of the Ewok instructions, and I basically set up the scene. Hopefully he'll put it right here. Here? Okay. Maybe? I don't know. Anyways, you can compare and tell me in the comments. I did one thing wrong on purpose. If you comment down below the one thing I did wrong in comparison, then I'll give your comment a heart. So first we're gonna start out over here, and Lucky Wicket, because he gets to be our main example. Now, if you put an Ewok right there, or any person, then you can pull this back and he falls down and comes out at the bottom. And then you can also make your characters climb up the ladder. And there's railings so they don't fall off. And of course we have the bridge there, right there. Let me rotate this around so you guys can see it better. And then there's a bow and arrow right there, and right there it teaches Ewoks how to build their thing or fly it. And then down here is a little bed with a torch in there. You have this neat little contraption, little spider web that I can flick out. Down under this right there opens. And
it says a heart.
And I like to think of it of a biker scout jail cell, because if you come over here and look right there, there's tally marks with a biker scout head on it. So that's pretty cool. And then if you come all the way over here, then you can see a little weapon holder there. It can open and close like this. And also right here, this is the last one I did, and it's just a little fireplace type thing. Wicket can warm his hands there. So right here, it's this little thing that ties them up. If you come around at the front, you can see. And then right here, I think is the coolest thing. Hopefully Dad will edit a little clip, but in the movie, from my memory, they were like, oh my goodness, it's C-3PO. He's made of gold and stuff. They were all worshiping him and stuff. And then C-3PO wanted to make them go, so Luke used the Force and made the chair start floating. Han was sadly getting cooked in the movie. Maybe Dad will throw up a picture there. But yeah, he was getting cooked in the movie, so that's nice. But sadly, Wicket didn't get dinner. So. Huh. And then right here, if you come back up here, if you pull this lever and you come over here, then boom. Oh my gosh, we almost hit that Ewok. Oh my goodness. Plus, well, let's first show you the net. Mm-hmm. The only thing that I don't like that Lego did is you have to hold it like this up. I attached it somewhere. I just on this on a stud. But anyways, in the movie, then the net was there, and but it was covered in leaves. So it was like this, and then like all of them walked up, because there was a piece of meat in there, I want to say. Correct me.
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay.
And then it snatched him up in the tree.
Yeah, I'm trying to recreate that, but Lego.
It's just a dead animal, Chewie.
Lego and their nets.
Chewie, wait, no!
And then, so they got caught, and boom, it snatched them. I wonder if you could do it like that.
Oh, that keeps it up. So you're not going to tell us?
I'll tell you. Just, if you're commenting, comment when I tell you to. I'll just say that before I show you the difference.
Okay.
So, let's cover this up. The big difference, see, it's not over here because I'm not covering that up.
What is it?
The big difference is, so the picture of it right here, Luke would be on this one, not this one.
Wow.
So if you got that right, you're awesome. If you cheated, you're not that awesome. So guys, speaking of awesome, did you find the piece? Remember, it is a 2x4 tan piece. Well, oh wait, oh there it is. Okay, back to you, Wicket.